Good morning mga lords. Welcome to another chill day. For today's video, I don't have the specific target destinations, just a test of my fitness. It's been a while, siguro mga 7 months na wala na ko ka-rides. So I just gonna go with the flow. This is Sumag, permanent traffic every day. I decided to maliko ko sa crossing Ambunan. Yung kapaminsar ko kung mambukal ko or mapa-DSB. So at this point, I'm still thinking mabalaan ko na karon kung ano magiging kung ano decision. Bottom line, I'm just going to stop and turn back once my legs are about to give up. Mga lords, at my right is Sumag National High School. Ride check mga lords, it's 6.33 miles and 31 minutes of moving time. Economic Highway Extension Bridge. When I was trying to edit the video, try ko lang ang reframing sa 360 degrees video, and may nakita ko na face sa sky. So I don't know kung ano nung tsura yan na. Just take a look and see for yourself. Let me know your thoughts. This is the Bacolod Negros Occidental Economic Highway mga lords. So bago niya siyang adalan na naga-span towards the intersection of the Alihis going to Murcia, and also intersects the Burgos Avenue going to Granada and Alameda. Now I am approaching the municipality of Murcia. Ride check. 19.6 miles with 1 hour and 31 minutes of moving time. At my left is the public plaza, and you can also see the Immaculate Conception Parish. Passing the Murcia Water District. This is the Caliban Bridge, which simply connects the Kaplan and the lowland communities. At this point mga lords, I just decided to just turn left going to DSB or Don Salvador Benedicto. Lords, emphasize ko gid ang hand signal every time may change directions ta arat as intersections, so communicate maging aware iba nga motorists sa aton kag maging predictable to prevent accidents. Karga tapas mga lords, Negros Occidental is widely recognized as the sugar bowl of the Philippines. Swerte na di katakom na view Mount Canaon at my right, and Mount Canandog at my left. Zooming in just to see the beautiful scenery of the mountain. At this point mga lords, nagkasakit na din ako ng left knee, so I have to stop na to check the Google Map kung the nearest place nga pwede ko makapauway at makakaon.
Aming Simboryo. Aming Simboryo kape. Ano mga kaon nyo de? Ako na.
napindot ko lang.
Then, ini ah. Ano na yung Simboryo? Ano nyo? Laga anak ka?
Mga lods, refuel ko anay pork chop with egg with a view of Mount Canandog. Mga lods, tapos na ko kaon. Before ko magpuli, picture ko riyan ay pag magpatunaw-tunaw jutay. It's time to go home na. Kag wala ko gid madumande, so nagpatali na din ako ng pau ka na migit na siya, especially kung dulhubo ng dalan pa po. Sana all dulhubo ka na nilalan. By the way, ang akong nga tuhod medyo okay na, naka-recover di gamay. Jutay na masakit, so hopefully kaya ni basta makapulit sa balay. Ano na learn ko on this ride? Kailangan ko pa mag-ride more para makluwa ang mga tuktok sa akong mga tuhod. Taking advantage of the momentum mga lods, trying to aero gamay di. Approaching the economic highway at this intersection mga lods, halong dito determine ka na pero nilabay na dito determine din ka kadisgrasya. Pwerte na natin nga init mga lods, sakit na sa panit. This will be my first video na siguro ma-upload, and I'm not really good in editing, even speaking magambal, awkward, but again I just want to try to create memories here. So arin ako din sa Sumag again, lapit na lang ako ni sa balay, and I think hasta lang ko diri, and thanks for chilling with me. And my ride distance is 40.17 miles with 2 hours and 50 minutes of moving time.